Hello, I'm going to use this Geogebra app to model 15 base 10 and convert it to base 5. So this app does not have a, might as well put them together to take a little bit of time, but this app doesn't have a clear all. If I were developing the app, I would have done that, but you know, I didn't have time to make an app for this. All right, we have 0 right now, so we want to do 15 base 10. So if I were to add one of these, this actually shows we have 5 by 5, which is 25 units. So the only thing that changes when you change a base is how you group, not what the unit is. So in this case, the unit is still going to be 1. So we have 25 units, which is more than that. So I don't need, which is more than 15 base 10. So I don't even need a flat there. Here I'm going to just add 1, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes in base 10, but that's 10 in base 5. Interesting. Let's add another one. Now we have 20 in base 10, but that's only 10 in base 5. So we'll add another one. Now we have 5, 10, 15 in base 10, or 3 of the quote-unquote longs. So 3, 0 represents 15 base 10 in base 5. Now the next one is 3, 14 base 5 plus 2, 13 base 5. All right, so let's do that. So we'll have 1, it's a lot easier to model when you're in base 5. So 3, 1, 4. All right, so that's 25 times 3, that's 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 84 in base 10. But at this time, we're just going to stay in base 5. Now I'm going to add to that 2, 1, 3 base 5. So there's 2. Here's 1. I didn't add, did I? There we go. 1 and 3. All right, now I can put these together because there's more than 5 there. And now I have 4 longs, and I can't group anymore. So 1042 would be the final answer, base 5. All right, let's do this one. 313 minus 224. So let's get the 313 first. So we'll take one of those away. And that. And that. So there we have, oops, that's 413. Okay, 313 minus 224. Well, I can take away the 2, but if I start there, well, what happens? The next thing I want to do is take 2 away from here, and I can't do that. But I could break this apart, right? I could take that apart. Now I have to take out 2 of these. Oops. Oh, 2 of those. And now I need to take out 4 of these. Well, they only have 3, so I'm going to have to take apart 1 of those. And then I will take apart 4 of those. So the answer is 34, base 5. Now we could check base 10, or notice I started on the left and went to the right. It's important to understand that you can do that in base 10 or in base 5. But we're taught sort of in elementary school that you should always start from the right and go to the left. It's a convention that's not necessarily needed. Let's see if we get the same answer if we do it the other way. So let's start again with 313. 3, 1, oops. 313, take away 224. So this time, once again, we don't have enough 4, so we'll take that apart. Now I take away 4. Now I need to take away another 2 from here, but I don't have any, so I'm going to just break apart that. Now I take 2 away from there, and finally I take 2 away from here, and we get the same answer. So it's pretty cool. You can start from either side, and again, it doesn't matter whether you do it in base 10 or base 5 or any other base. You really don't have to start on the right.